Hi friends, welcome to the second part of coordinate geometry. In this part, we'll be discussing how to find distance between two points whose coordinates are given. Now, let's consider we have 2 points A and B, and both these points are in a two-dimensional plane. The coordinates of these points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Let's draw a line which passes through both the points. Now, the abscissa of point A is x1. It means it is x1 units away from y-axis. And point B is x2 units away from y-axis. So, the horizontal distance between these 2 points will be x2 minus x1. Similarly, point A is y1 units above the x-axis and the point B is y2 units above the x-axis, and the vertical distance between these 2 points is y2 minus y1. Now we have a right angled triangle APB, right angled at P. AB is a hypotenuse and AP, BP are remaining two sides. Pythagoras theorem states that AB square is equals to AP square plus PB square. Let's substitute the values of AP and PB. We know that AP is x2 minus x1 and PB is y2 minus y1. So AB square will be equals to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Taking square root both sides, AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. And the last equation is nothing but a distance formula. Now let's quickly recap what the distance formula is, and we will try to remember the distance formula. We have 2 points again, A and B, with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. The distance AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and hope you will remember this formula. We are going to do one question based upon the same formula. We will be finding distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given, and here is a question. The coordinates of given points are 2, minus 3 and 5, minus 1. We know the distance formula. AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Let's quickly substitute the values, and we will get 5 minus 2 square plus minus 1 minus of minus 3 square. And we will get square root of 3 square plus 2 square, which is nothing but square root 13 units. Now I'll be quickly discussing the questions which are based upon the distance formula. One of the most common questions is 3 points A, B and C are given, and we need to check whether these 3 points are collinear or not. Method is very simple. You just find the distances AB, BC and AC. If the longest side is equal to sum of the other 2 sides, then the 3 points are collinear, else they are not. Another common question based upon the distance formula is 3 non-collinear points will be given to you, and you will be asked to check the type of triangle. Again, method is very similar. Find AB, BC, AC. If all 3 distances are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle. If 2 sides are equal and the third is unequal, then it is an isosceles triangle. And if square of one side is equal to sum of squares of other 2 sides, then it is a right angle triangle. And if all 3 sides are unequal, it is a scalene triangle. So this is all about the distance formula and the types of questions based upon distance formula. In my next lecture, we'll be discussing section formula and midpoint formula. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe to watch more videos. Thank you.